Hi everybody, it's me, Beth Maitland with Drama Queen Bee Quilt Studio, and I never do these, but I am going to do an unboxing. This package I've been waiting for an entire month from France, and I am super excited about what's inside, so let's just jump in and find out. So I did take the label off the front, and it went via Belgium and was packaged by a company called Happy Post. Who doesn't want to get something from Happy Post? So we have wrapping, and here is what's inside. Oh boy. Everything else can just sit on the floor for a minute. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I'm not going to tell you what even the listing was for, but I found this on eBay. And I can't even wait, oh my goodness, to see what's inside. Oh, look at that. Okay, so little tiny, minute trim, and here's some with little holes in it. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So there's a little bit of trim on top coming from inside. Oh, look. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It feels like it's just cotton, and it's not shiny in any way, but I have to research this. I saw this on a YouTube video, something like this, just yesterday. And so I need to figure out what exactly this material is, but look at that. It's so small. There's my thumbnail for reference. That's not, that's maybe less than 1/4 of an inch. Anyway, it's beautiful. That was tied to the top of the box. Look at the top of the box. So let's remove the cable. Oh, this is so fun. I got it for myself for my birthday, which was last month. But look at this. It's hard metal, and these inserts as well, and on red velvet, which I think you can probably see. And I need my glasses to figure out what the initials are. But it looks like I have it backwards. Maybe MCS. MCS maybe? So here's the front. Look how pretty that is. And now these are silver and this is gold, which leads me to believe things happened at different times in its life. But the little feet on the bottom match this. So I'm not sure which came first or what happened, but because of the monogram, I'm pretty sure that it was done professionally at some point in its life. So ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, people, look at that. You might be instantly asking, what is this for? Guess what's buried inside? It's a music box. Oh my God. Now, it is disclosed that it does not work, but I have a daughter who has an engineer's mind, and she has also a partner. Her boyfriend is also very, very good. They're both musicians, and they do their own work on our instruments. She makes her own reeds. So I have a feeling one or the other of them is going to take a look at this, maybe both, and see what they can do about putting the music box back into service. But there's treats inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we have some beautiful lace, cotton, thick and very beautiful, probably 3 inches. Lovely. We have some more cotton lace, also beautiful and old. A nice wad of that. And look at these, although stained, look at this, oh, beautiful. Embroidered, oh my goodness sakes, trim, which just happened to be in this box. Stained in a mess. Who doesn't love that more? Raise your hands. I know you do. And here's more. I think this might have been the original cream color, but it's been doused in something. And that could all be evened out very quickly with just a bath of coffee or tea. But oh my goodness, how beautiful. And beautiful silk embroidery. Certainly done by machine, but boy, is that pretty. So there's that. Look at the treasures. Oh my goodness. Look at the treasures. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited I can barely see straight. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. Here's a little thread minder from Gutermann. Look at that. Cute little winder. Okay. Another. Oh, I am so excited. This is linen thread. That before us, I think, was just cotton, but this is beautiful linen. Let's put it through the minder. Sweet little vintage buttons that say pour lingerie, qualité supérieure. Of course they are superior. So more beautiful trim. This is a lighter color, more of a gray beige than the tan beige that we're used to seeing. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I can barely see straight. Look at that. And we have these lovely little sweet bobbins, vintage bobbins. This is, looks more like more linen thread, but let's see. Chinois, extra superior. I don't have to look that up. I think that's linen thread, but then we have just some, that might be silk, and that looks like just cotton on adorable little bobbins. Here's another, I think, linen thread. What is in this magic little box? Look at that. Oh, stop it. Oh, this is like buried treasure. Isn't this amazing? I'm so excited. This is the best birthday gift I ever got myself. Look at this mother of pearl that's carved. And these little filigrees. Oh, so sweet. And here's some crocheted little buttons that are crocheted over the top. What's this on the bottom? Look, enamel. Oh my goodness, look at that little rose enamel insert. What a box of treasure. The box is equally as exciting. And then here's some French laundry labels, DF. Oh, they're beautiful. Nice and large. Also about 1/4 inch. And a little magic key. And I wonder if it's the key. Oh, it certainly is. It's the key to the box itself. Goes right in there. So another key and bobbin. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I can't stand it. And here's some more. These are really interesting. They're domed like cabochon, domed buttons. Bouton Acre France. Look how beautiful. Oh no, look. Look. Ma mère et ma père. Just kidding, mine are Scottish. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm wandering off into La La Land. I hope that was on camera. And it's got a little stand, or it's got a little way that you can hang it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is treasure. Here's some more beautiful, looks like linen thread. Yeah, I think it feels awfully soft. It might be silk. And here's some beautiful Cartier-Bresson. 10 meters of cotton. Look at that. It's shiny. And look at that buckle. Stop it. What in the world? Isn't that beautiful? Do you see how that affixes? Wow. And then to go with all of these little things up here, a pin cushion. I don't have anything like that. With felt and some pins, a couple of needles, but it matches this beautiful silver set. Oh my goodness sakes. So there's that, another little bobbin. These little wooden bobbins are adorable, and more cotton. And I just can't even believe it. Look at that. And we'll look at them all. We have there's a bodkin. Oh, so beautiful. A needle case, scissors. There's a crochet hook and an awl, and a little mirror on the inside of the case. I am in heaven. I have hit the mother lode of treasure. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, we'll be back in just a minute for a review. So I've been playing with all my toys and taking things out and turning them around, and sometimes you just have to treat yourself. And I hope it's not selfishness or self-centeredness or spoiling myself a little rotten, but I work hard and I look around me and I just sort of feel like sometimes these treasures are so meaningful and so special that we deserve a little treat. I hope you feel the same way, and I hope that you every now and then treat yourself. And I hope that you take the time that I do to be grateful for every blessing and to live in gratitude for all the things I don't have to worry about anymore and all the things that give me happiness. And you are among them. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for joining me here at Drama Queen Bee Quilts. It's me, Beth Maitland.